Let me show you how you can draft highly complex legal precedents in seconds with just one-sentence prompts. By combining Agentic AI with document automation, you only draft from your firm's approved precedents. Fully formatted on your firm's letterhead, the output is client or courtroom ready. No editing, no reformatting, and no errors. Watch this. Here we're drafting a cost agreement for the Smith matter, and the data already lives in the firm's case management system. Watch what one sentence does. Now we fast forwarded the boring bits, but the agent is reading the matter, finds the right form in SmarterDrafter's automation library. It's mapping the fields, and it's all happening live. Here's where it really earns its keep. Every field, every dollar tagged with a source. Scope, fees, partner, solicitor, all from the matter. Nothing's invented. The lawyer reviews, then confirms. It's done. PDF and Word on your firm's precedent, your letterhead, your IP. It's client ready with no cleanup required. Now this is the difference between AI that hallucinates and AI that just works the way you need it. A 30-minute job finished in under a minute with no errors. Now, the same prompt, but a different matter. This time, there's metadata missing. Most demos are going to hide it, but we're not going to. The agent reads the automated precedent and then pulls what it can. Scope, fee type, partner, lawyer. Then watch, it stops. It doesn't guess, it asks. One number from me. The total's assembled, submitted, it's done. And the whole flow runs through the agent of your choice. SmarterDrafter is the deterministic document automation engine underneath. It's built to plug into the model your firm uses and trusts. Now this one actually blew me away the first time my team showed me. The client emails the lawyer with instructions. The lawyer simply drags and drops the email into the agent and types one sentence. Draft a will for the Hartley matter. That's the entire instruction needed. Now watch the reasoning. Multiple will templates are available in SmarterDrafter. It reads the email, sees a single client, sees New South Wales law, and picks the correct long-form will precedent. The agent now understands the metadata required, and this is where Agentic AI really shines. Name, address, occupation, governing law, instructing solicitor, all pulled. Then it lists what's missing. Executors, beneficiaries, gifts, guardians, funeral wishes, TDT terms. Every gap that a senior lawyer would catch on their first read is surfaced in seconds. The agent suggests that it would be easier to complete the automation in SmarterDrafter. The lawyer then asks for a link. The form opens in SmarterDrafter pre-filled. The lawyer then finishes the gaps and signs off. Again, the output is the firm's own will precedent. Their clauses, their formatting. It's client ready and error-free. Now you've just seen drafting 3 documents from 3 prompts on your precedents with your AI. They're courtroom ready, client ready, with no editing required. At SmarterDrafter, we believe that AI should do the thinking and automation does the drafting. Just comment below and one of my team will reach out and show you how impactful this will be at your firm.